So Purple has their three lineups, the Essential, the Premium, and the Luxe. And if you're looking for a fancier bed in that Luxe lineup, what do you gotta know about the Purple Rejuvenate mattress? Well, that's what we're gonna cover in today's video. Hey there, I'm Wes with the Slumber Yard, and in this video, we're gonna talk about all the things that you need to know about the Purple Rejuvenate. This bed's sitting right next to me. We're gonna start out with the policies that this bed's backed by, then we'll touch on the construction, feel, firmness, price, and at the very end of the video, I'm gonna try to answer all those questions that you still might have, like who will this bed ultimately be best for? Now, if you enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up along the way, and if you need any more information about the other Purple beds in the Luxe lineup, feel free to check down below in the description. We'll have some other video links for you, but let's get right into the Rejuvenate mattress review.
At the Slumber Yard, you know we work real hard to find the right bed for you and save you money on it.
Okay guys, Webster's dictionary defines rejuvenate as to make young or youthful again, to give new vigor to, but Purple says bed. And while this bed may not make you youthful like the Fountain of Youth, it is comfortable and it has some really nice policies. Let's get into those right now. But I do want to say that Purple as a brand did send us the Rejuvenate for free to test out and tell you guys about it. But if you order it online, it's going to be backed by the following policies, starting with completely free shipping. Now, since this bed is in Purple's Luxe lineup, it will be delivered to you via a process called white glove delivery. And that's basically where a local delivery team will bring the bed to your home, full size. You know, it's basically ready to be slept on night one because it's not roll packed or squished or anything like that, like a normal bed-in-a-box mattress. But once this bed is in your possession, you get a sleep trial of 100 nights, basically your chance to test out the bed with your own sheets, pillows, pajamas, whatnot, and start to formulate your opinion. And if you happen to like it, that's great, but you can get free returns within that trial period if not, but hopefully you do enjoy the Rejuvenate, and if so, it's backed by a 10-year warranty, which is pretty much the industry standard, so right in line with a lot of other brands out there. Now, the Rejuvenate is also made in the United States, so if you like supporting American-made products, that could move the needle for you. And in terms of its construction, it is a 5-layer bed that is actually 15.5 inches thick, so it's a pretty big boy. A pretty big dog. Ooh. Should roll a picture of a big dog, huh? Now, in terms of this bed's construction, if you look under the cover, you'll see a thin layer of support foam on the bottom, then a 3-zone support layer of pocketed coils, and that's basically where it's broken up into 3 different sections where the center third will be slightly firmer, just to provide a little bit more support for your trunk and hips and keep your back in a more neutral spinal alignment. Hopefully, you know, that's just the goal with these 3-zone support layers. On top of that is a transition layer of foam, and then on top of that is the Gel Flex Grid Plus. So in other older Purple beds, the Gel Flex Grid is basically their main special sauce, their secret layer, which makes the Purple bed so unique. In this bed, it isn't the exact top layer, so you're not gonna be feeling a ton of that Gel Flex Grid, but it is in there, and you might be able to feel it if you feel around for it. On top of that is another layer of comfort foam, which Purple dubs their dual comfort, and then on top is a quilted cover that has some stuff woven into it, even some cooling features. And the whole construction of the Rejuvenate mattress is gonna be, you know, a little bit different than some of the original Purple beds and even some of the premium collection beds. This one's gonna have more of a responsive pillow top feel. So with the Essential collection and some of the premium collections, those beds are gonna have more of a unique feel. You're really gonna feel that Gel Flex Grid. It's gonna be kind of like something you've never tried before while being soft and firm at the same time. But this one, while it's in there, you're not really gonna feel it. Instead, it's just gonna feel more cloud-like, more traditional, like a pillow top. Now, you'll probably feel a little bit of that Gel Flex Grid, and if you're a bit heavier, you might feel a bit more since you sink into the bed more. But it's basically just a really responsive, bouncy bed, and in my opinion, it's probably the most responsive bed that we've tried from the Purple brand. In fact, watch this. Now, in terms of firmness, we would place this bed around a medium firm. It might even be like a medium firm plus because it is the firmest bed in the Purple Luxe lineup. And just keep in mind that firmness is subjective, so if you're a bit heavier, you might find the bed to be a little bit softer, or if you're a bit lighter, you could find the bed to be firmer. But, you know, around a medium firm is pretty much a great option because it'll work for all sleeper types, back, stomach side, and combination. And since it is a little bit on that firmer end of the spectrum, it might be a better option for strict back or stomach sleepers. features. And since this bed does use pocketed coils, it'll also work for all body types. You know, if you are a bit heavier, you definitely want a bed with those coils just because they provide a lot more long-term support and durability. And for more petite people, they can provide a lot of bounce if that's something that you're into. You know, maybe like that traditional bouncy feel, a bed that you can jump on like in the commercials, or like I just did. Should we replay that again?
Let's do it.
Yeah, well, wow, now I'm going all the way to the moon this time. Now, if the firmness of this bed is a bit too firm for you, you can also check out the Rejuvenate Plus or the Rejuvenate Premier. One's around a medium and one's slightly softer than that. Those will be slightly more expensive, but you know, you are getting a softer bed, so it's kind of the trade-off you have to make. And also, all of those beds in the Luxe line will have that responsive pillow top feel, but if you're looking for something with that unique feel, you can definitely check out the original purple. It's really affordable. They also have the Purple New Day, which is their most affordable mattress. Then there's the Premium collection. They have 3 beds in there, all with pocketed coils, so that's another great option, again with that unique feel. One of our favorites over here at the Slumber Yard is the Purple Restore Firm. It's available as a soft or a firm, but we tend to like the firmer one, so definitely worth checking out. Again, that has that unique feel, and all of these purple beds will be linked down below in the description if you want to, you know, get some coupon codes. We might have them down there, or if you just want to read up or watch some more videos about them, definitely check down there. But back to the Rejuvenate, let's touch on some things that couples might want to consider if you happen to be sharing the bed, and that's stuff like motion isolation, temperature regulation, and edge support. So in terms of edge support, this bed does really great. You know, it uses a lot of edge support design features in the bed to make sure you're not going to be falling off. They even have a little foam border by the purple grid to make sure that, you know, it doesn't flop around, it stays pretty firm there. In terms of motion isolation, this bed does pretty good. You know, it's not the absolute best bed since it is so responsive, and the purple grid combined with those coils can make a little bit of reverberation, but definitely not anything that you should be worrying about. I'd say it's pretty decent actually. You're never going to be waking up your partner if you get up in the middle of the night, and you know, with some beds when you move around you can kind of hear those springs. Definitely not going to be the case with this bed. Now in terms of temperature regulation, Purple does claim that there's some cooling tech in this, but we would pretty much just say it sleeps temperature neutral. You know, it's not actively going to cool you down. A lot of the beds that are active cooling, they usually have some sort of electrical component that you got to plug into the wall. So if you do want to check out any beds like that, we'll have them linked down below in the description box, but temperature neutral is a-okay because a lot of other factors go into like how hot or cold your bed's going to sleep, like the kind of sheets you're using, or just how hot or cold you're keeping your room. So keep all that stuff in mind and don't really listen to the mattress companies when they're saying like temperature, blah, 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 I'm the mattress company. Now in terms of price, I do want to preface this whole section by saying brands like Purple do like to change their pricing and promotions constantly, so this is as of when I'm recording this video, but you should be able to pick up a queen size for around the $5,500 mark MSRP, and just know that that price point is so high because this is basically one of Purple's top 3 beds. It's in their top tier line, and it is quality, and you can definitely tell when you feel it and take a look at it. And any coupon codes or discount codes that you use from the Slumber Yard, that helps us out, and we really appreciate that, so thank you. And I know $5,000 might be out of some people's price range, but if you do want a bed with more of a responsive feel from the brand Purple, I couldn't see you going wrong with this one. But let's talk final verdict. What does the whole Slumber Yard team, including me, think of this bed, and who is it ultimately going to be best for? Well, we'd pretty much say check out the Purple Rejuvenate if you want a slightly firmer bed that has that responsive pillow top feel that's around a medium firm, and it has a good amount of bounce, and you're not afraid to spend up for a really quality product. In terms of what I personally think, it's a little bit out of my price range, but I probably do like the feel of these Luxe beds more than the Purple beds because they are a little bit divisive and some people love them, some people hate them. I'm not the biggest fan of that unique feel, so I do like the traditional pillow top feel on these, and you know, if you can afford it, it's definitely a good bed to have. But what do you think? Have you tried any beds from Purple, or would you like to try any of these new Luxe lineups? Write us down below in those comments. We want to hear from you, and if you happen to enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up button, and you can always subscribe to the Slumber Yard for so much more Purple content and content about pretty much all other mattresses. But that's gonna do it for this one. I'm Wes, wishing you a good night's sleep.
Like and subscribe.